By default, links are blue and underlined, but we can customize them to match our color scheme. Links have 4 different states: normal state with default appearance, hover state when the user hovers over the link, active state when the link is clicked, and visited state after the link has been opened. Let's apply custom styles to our links. For the default link, A, margin right 10 pixels, color variable text color, text decoration none to remove underline. Let's make the links stand out when hovered. A with a pseudoclass hover, color, heading color. For visited links, let's reapply the default link styles. A with a pseudoclass visited after the comma. And active links will be the same as hovered links. A with a pseudoclass active after the comma. To sum up, remember 4 different link states: normal, hover, active, and visited. Use pseudoclasses to style different link states.